Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Raspberry Verbena Pie in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event, the Modular Street Festival event, and at this event you can cook many new special food. One of them is this Raspberry Verbena Pie, but to cook this food you need to unlock the hidden recipe, Raspberry Verbena Pie recipe. And to unlock this recipe, it's very easy. First, just go to your brick serving card, the special cooking station for this event. You can craft it yourself at your workbench. And then next, just tap on it. Just choose the fruit verbena pie. And then next, just complete all the ingredients. You need butter, and then egg, and then lemon verbena that you can get it from the gardening hobby. And then next, just replace the fruit ingredients with the raspberry, and then just simply start cooking like this. And okay, just like that, your raspberry verbena pie is ready. You will automatically unlock the recipe and it will add it to your collections, at your cooking collections like this. You can see it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.